ChuChu TV!
Hi there, my friends!
Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm so happy to see you. Today, we're going to learn about passenger vehicles.
Yay!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu! Hi!
Little friends, let's open these colorful eggs, one by one.
I can't wait! Let's go!
Let's open the red egg first.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the red egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a bicycle!
Wow! Yay! A bicycle!
Many kids ride a bicycle to get to school and to visit friends in the neighborhood.
Hi! 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 Hi!
Let's open the yellow egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the yellow egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is an electric scooter.
Wow! Yay! An electric scooter!
This high school girl rides her scooter to get to high school and to visit her friends.
Hi.
Hi! Let's open the blue egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the blue egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a motorcycle.
Wow! Yay! A motorcycle!
This college boy rides his motorcycle to travel to college and to visit his friends. Hi!
Hi. Hi.
Let's open the green egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a car!
Wow! Yay! A car!
Dad drives the car to take the kids to school. Let's open the purple egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the purple egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a Jeep!
Wow! Yay! A Jeep!
Mom uses the Jeep to take the kids on a drive across the hilly terrain. Let's open the orange egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the orange egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a minivan!
Wow! Yay! A minivan!
The mom uses the minivan to go shopping and to take the kids camping. Let's open the black egg next.
Okay! Thank you!
Shall we open the black egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a pickup truck.
Yay! A pickup truck!
The dad uses the pickup truck to pull his motorboat to the campsite with the kids. Did you kids have fun learning about the passenger vehicles?
We learned a lot about the passenger vehicles and their purposes, Mr. Harlow.
Shall we say them all over again?
A bicycle! An electric scooter! A motorcycle! A car! A Jeep! A minivan! A pickup truck!
I am so happy to hear that. It's getting dark, and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!
Goodbye! We look forward